Yung sa barangay. Lang is yung mga soft projects. Pero yun, infrastructure hard projects. So, pero wag natin masyado i-discuss yung ano kasi, you know, the funding side of the ano.
Okay.
Kaya,
That is okay to mention that.
yeah, okay. Okay naman.
Okay.
Mic test. Okay na yung mic?
Test, Mike. Back to our seventh episode, special episode of Baguio Unfiltered here at the very nice Camp Kawa here at Ongasan, Luacan, and we have a very special guest tonight, and she came all the way from Manila to give us some good news and to discuss more about his father. We have no one else but Mamaki De La Rosa.
Maki De La Rosa, welcome to Baguio po.
Hello po.
Welcome.
Good evening.
So I know you had a busy day just like us. So we're still a bit reeling. Medyo pagod tayo lahat, but you know we have to accommodate. And
Yes.
thank you also for entrusting us. You trusting us to be on our show to of course promote what you need to promote, which I in my heart, you know, despite all the the not so good things that
negative talks.
some quarters are
Yan.
telling about him. Ako in my heart, I love this guy, and I'll share that later on.
Can you take your cap off? Maybe you shaved your head.
And you'll see the resemblance. So I'm Daryl, and
I'm Cricket, and we're live, Baguio Unfiltered, with Miss Maki De
De
La
La
Rosa.
Rosa. So Miss Maki De La Rosa, can you tell us more about yourself?
Hi, I'm Maki De La Rosa Estoesta.
Estoesta.
Yes, kasi baka nanonood yung asawa ko sinasabi
Baka-
na De La
ay.
Rosa.
Baka sinabi, dinap mo na yung last name.
Estoesta.
Estoesta, yes.
Yes, De La Rosa Estoesta. I'm the second daughter of Senator Bato, and then I'm also his chief of staff. And honestly, this is my first time na humarap sa camera, pero dahil sila yung nag-request, talagang we will do this. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na kung medyo kakabahan pa ako, pero mukhang di naman ako kakabahan, sila yung mga kasama ko.
Yeah, ang format kasi din natin dito sa Baguio Unfiltered, it's supposedly relaxed, you know,
Informal.
there's no, very informal
But fun.
discussion, parang kwentuhan lang, but we have cameras facing us, so I hope that we make you feel relaxed. Pati kami medyo tense pa rin kasi of course you're from the national and you're representing a great man in my opinion. So how is it working for your dad as his chief of staff?
Being his chief of staff.
Stricto ba siya?
Being his chief of staff sa office niya. Sa amin kasi, walang walang anak-anak,
Hmm.
walang special treatment. So, kasi you're being paid by the
The
Filipino
government.
people. So, taxes nila to. You have to do your work. You have to do your responsibilities as well. So, hindi siya pwede na chief of staff, anak ka, so pwede lang mag-slack off.
Yeah.
So, kaya, right now, talagang, actually for the past 6 years, yung nag-iikot talaga kami ng Pilipinas. So, we need to go down to the grassroots. We need to listen to the people. Ano yung kailangan nila? Ano yung mga hinanaing nila? Ano yung mga pwede natin gawing batas for them? Yung mga ganun. So, talagang you need to, they're paying you, the taxpayers.
Yeah.
So, you have to do your job.
Ang kaibahan kasi ng senator is that mas malaki ang sakop niya kaysa yung
Right, the whole
district
country.
congressman eh.
Right.
Ang yung constituency is the entire country, no? And I mean we're in campaign season now where you've been going around, so parang itong ginagawa nyo ngayon, going all over the country to of course promote your father for his gonna be third term or second term?
Second term.
Second term.
Second term.
So,
So
second term.
how is it, Maki, yung mga ikot nyo po? What's the anong tawag dito? Mga feedback, mga comments nila na
Surprisingly, siguro from other people's point of view, na nakikita nila na naiipit tayo minsan. Well, it's normal, you're in the opposition, they treat you as the opposition, pero surprisingly bumababa kami on our own, na hindi pa namin kasama yung boss namin, hindi namin kasama si Senator Bato. We go to the grassroots, we go to the people mismo. Ang ganda ng reception ng tao, as in you can feel the clamor.
Mhm.
They are na ay salamat may Senator Bato, at ay salamat tumatakbo pa
nakakalaki
siya.
ng puso, no?
Sobra,
Yeah.
sobra. Kaya kahit na gaano ka kapagod, in a day, siguro we have a minimum. Ito naman self-imposed lang naman kasi gusto ko talaga na madaming ma-achieve in a day. So in a day, at least 7 na mga major events
Mhm.
ginagawa namin, or
Wow.
mga productive
Right,
events, 7. So, sa 7 na yun, sa daming tao na pinupuntahan namin, ang ganda ng reception. Ito, no joke to.
Yeah,
Baka
yeah,
sinasabi ninyo, nang bobola ako.
Well, for Cordillera, I know for a fact that Senator Bato is very popular here. I don't have the stats, but I'm pretty sure that he's hindi siya bababa sa top 10 eh. Sa
Even top 5, I think.
Probably kasi it's very much connected to the Cordilleras, to the Igorots. She's a former bodyguard, no? Is Daniel Pumaksya, no other than
Major.
yeah, Major Daniel Pumaksya, who is a son of Bontok.
Yeah. The
And
bully, like you
the-
said.
And you came from Bontok. Ano po?
Yes.
You
Not
just came
just-
from Bontok.
Not just Bontok. Last week ata yun, we were the whole Cordillera. So,
Oh, nice.
talagang dinaanan namin. May mga some towns na hindi namin napuntahan kasi gipit kami sa time.
Oras talaga, no?
So, talagang pero binaybay talaga namin yung binaybay, tama ba?
Binaybay.
Pinuntahan talaga namin yung kung ano yung mga
Binundok.
Binundok kasi, oh.
Ayun, sa amin kasi sa Bisaya, iba yung
bye-bye.
yun yung
We appreciate that. Na
talagang
you-
pinuntahan namin.
that the senator's team gives time to the Cordilleras.
Yeah.
I think one of the
Yes.
relations kasi because of the uniformed personnel. Ang
Yes.
dami natin dito.
Sobra,
Oo
ang
naman.
dami
Yes po,
ng
yes.
Sa Cordilleras, yan ang suki sa application ng PNP, BFP, BJMP, lahat
Sobra,
ng uniform.
sobra.
Sila pa sa
Dominated,
SAF. Oo.
dominated
Right.
ng
SAF,
Cordillera.
So it's not a wonder na ang kanyang one of his former closest bodyguard is a son of Bontok who's an Igorot nga.
Right.
Sa amin, he's a younger brother to us. His kuya is my batchmate, and maybe that's the reason why he's also the principal author of yung pagbaba ng height requirement.
Right. Pero sa totoo lang, and while Maki's here, let's validate kasi
Wow.
there was a video in one point in time na ma-recall ko that he stated na ang mga sa Bisaya, I rather, have a Cordillera nor an Igorot, protect me.
Dan a Bisaya.
Yes,
Na-
parang ganun eh. So,
Totoo ba yun?
he would definitely trust a Bisaya, pero since proven din yung Cordillera, kasi they go way long back talaga na hindi ko alam kung i-share ko ba to, pero there was an incident in Davao na it was a terrorist na pinasok ng terorista.
Ang
It was a
city.
foreign terrorist.
Yeah.
actually. Pagkatapos,
I know
there
what
was
this is. Yeah.
there was a bomb threat there, and then he was the one on the ground na ano, so he was the one facing yung mga terorista na ito, and when the bomb was about to detonate, he was there. But then a Cordilleran, someone from the mountain province, was just in time na sharpshooter at na tigil yung pagdetonate ng
Oh, wow.
bomba.
Wow.
Kaya it's proven talaga na ano.
Sino itong kababayan ko?
Our hero. Our local
Ayan.
hero.
This was an ISIS group in Southeast Asia. I would kasi
Sa-
umingay ito no?
Yeah,
ito
umingay
before.
po talaga siya
Oo.
na ano. It's real, it's factual, and you know the dangers are real.
Mhm,
The things that you do there are real. It's not the movies na
Yeah.
ano, it's something you cannot fake. Pinagdaanan talaga natin 'yun. Kaya ayun po. Kaya he entrusts his life sa ano,
I mean,
Cordilleran.
we are really known dito sa ang Kaigurotan tawag namin no. For our non-Igorot viewers, Igorot is a collective term of Cordillerans from the different
Mountain
provinces
man.
of basically mountain people. And during World War II sa Bataan nakapatong sila sa tangke yung forefathers natin with their bolos.
Mga warrior talaga tong mga
So,
warrior spirit talaga mga
yeah.
Cordilleran.
It comes with our structure, you know? Maano kami, mabato kami. So,
Oo.
mabato. Mabato.
Basta yung katawan. Wag yung ibang bato.
Ako rin kasi Miss Maki, I was a soldier myself, pero I served in the US. US Marines ako eh. Kaya had an
Babato kayo, no?
opportunity to come back here in 2010, so I decided to stay here na rin. Kasi this is my home, so I was born here and raised here, and then after the earthquake, moved over there. So I understand yung mechanics ng being a uniformed personnel, especially fighting for freedom and what is right.
You know, I've seen clips of Sen Bato, no? Na yung time niya pa lang, I think I mentioned this yesterday, but it's worth mentioning again para malaman naman natin kung anong pagkatao ni Sen Bato, no? From his simple beginnings, kasi medyo nag-YouTube ako eh.
Uy.
It's very interesting Hindi pala bato ang kanyang palayaw sa kanilang barangay Bato. Sa tiga barangay Bato sila eh. That's where he grew up.
Davao.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero hindi pala bato ang kanyang palayo doon.
No, he didn't. Ano.
It's Bebot.
Uy,
Sir, madami nakikinig sa atin.
it's like that
I said
song.
Bebot.
Bebot.
Dami nakikinig sa atin.
So paano siya nagkaroon ng palayaw na bato?
Yung after niya graduate sa PMA, yung kanyang first assignment, ano siya tawag nito? Yung paglabas niya, batak na batak yung katawan niya. Actually,
Okay.
kahit nasa loob pa siya
Oo.
ng PMA,
Yeah,
batak na batak na yung katawan niya. Pagkatapos, yung na-assign na siya after graduation, alam nila na taga-barangay Bato. So parang it was taga-barangay Bato, and then you look at the person na bato-bato yung katawan, kaya since that time, talagang sinimulan na tinawag na siya, bininyagan na siyang Bato.
Bato.
It
Okay.
really
What
And that's
batch is
stuck.
he
It's
sa
stuck
PMA?
there.
86.
Yeah,
86 batch 86. So they're the first graduates during the presidency of Cory Aquino, President Cory Aquino.
Yes, yes.
86.
Yeah, so medyo
Cool.
sabak
During-
agad
cool
sila.
na
Sabak
yun,
agad sa gulo.
86. Di ba may kudeta noong 86?
Yes,
How was
the
it?
mayor was Mayor Benji Magalong was a captain then
Yes,
already.
kasi 82 si Mayor, no?
Yes, 4 years lang. 4 years lang pala sila.
Right.
Hindi sila nagkaabot siguro. I haven't asked eh. Nagkaabot ba sila sa PMA? Hindi.
Parang
One year.
one
Right,
year
right,
na hindi
right.
nag-aabot.
Kung graduating si Mayor, Sen Bato was probably
Plebo ba?
entering.
Opo.
Oo.
Parang
And then, ano na siya? He went through the ranks, no? Natapon na rin agad siya sa Mindanao. He
yes.
was leading a group of parang conscripts natin eh. Yung, anong tawag nun? Yung private, yung tinatap natin, yung constabulary, Philippine constabulary, in dealing with the Islamic extremists sa Mindanao.
Yes.
And I saw a clip of him. Sabi ko talaga, iba pala to, talagang warrior.
Then eventually
din to.
naging PCINP, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Integrated National Police. Right, wow.
PMA pa pala siya kasi eventually naging PNPA yung mga pulis eh. Yung mga going
Yes,
for
PMA
PNP.
pa siya.
PMA pa siya.
Naabutan
Naabutan
pa niya yung ano.
Yes po.
And then he became the city director of Davao,
Yes.
the biggest city, no?
In Asia.
In Asia ba?
Yes.
Oh, it's
in
very
Asia.
big. I've
Davao
been
City
there
is
a
the
couple of times
biggest
eh.
city in Asia. Yeah.
Doon kayo pumunta sa ano? Ang tagal naman natin. Nasa Davao pa rin ba tayo?
Davao.
Isang oras na tayo
Kaya
bumabiyahe.
punta ka dito from the center. You wanted to
Mm.
go to the plantations kasi I was there in August. They said, pwede pupunta natin yung mga plantation. Sabi nila, 3 hours po.
Still in Davao.
Diba?
We're
Still in Davao.
I was once there 2015. Hindi na siya ang city director noon.
Hindi na
Where
po.
was he at those times?
2015, if I'm not mistaken, nasa Krame siya.
Ay, Krame
Naka-assign
na.
siya sa intelligence group.
Right.
Doon siya.
Okay, but Davao then was very peaceful already when I was there. So sabi ko, ang relax. Tapos pag mag-taxi ka, and then you pass through a certain road, a certain avenue, bumabagal bigla yung taxi driver. So sabi niya, ay madaling araw na yun. Eh sabi naman, ba't kailangan kayo bumagal? May speed
60,
limit po rito.
tama.
Yes.
Eh, sabi,
May speed limit
madaling
kahit
araw
na-
naman na.
Oo.
Ganon
Hindi po.
kadisiplinado
Oh,
ang
hindi po
taga
kasi,
Davao.
oo. And that just goes to show the leadership that you've had there. You know, I mean, of course, your father has been a city director there. I'm pretty sure he is when he's worked with the former President Duterte. Marami silang ginamang
The mayor then.
towards
yes.
the peace and order of the city.
Mm.
And then eventually, PRRD became the president, and agad-agad na naupo si Sen.
Yes, he
na-
was just promoted na 1 star.
Yeah.
And then-
Brigadier.
After nun, na-promote siya, jump to 4 stars.
Right.
Kaya,
And given naman yan eh. I mean, let's not it's panapanahon lang naman talaga yan. And
exactly.
and he became the chief
PNP chief. Yeah.
and also the chief author of the War on Drugs
Yes.
that a lot of people benefited from, including me.
Even
You want to know
Baguio.
more? Ha?
Even Baguio.
No, it's especially in Manila. Ramdam na ramdam yan sa Manila eh.
Sobra.
Yung effect ng yung tinatawag natin na we almost became a narco state. And kung ikaw ay tumira sa Manila, na parang yan ang ground zero ng narco politics and the effects of drugs, you would understand why it was necessary. Nakwento ko nga kahapon, we were robbed, my business was robbed, at I witnessed, hindi naman witness, but I've heard the gunshots of the 3 killings that happened within my block. Ganun kagulot, 2011 until 2015. Sobrang gulo, ayaw ng mga taong lumabas dahil nga it's very unsecured, no? And then 2016 came, PRRD sat, and then overnight, talagang
Big difference.
big difference. This is not the people of Manila, the entire NCR know this for a fact. Kaya nga pag tinitingnan mo, napaka-popular pa din sa Manila yung nila PRRD and Senator Batoy because of what they have done to really reverse what was happening. I truly believe na during those times we were already a narco state eh. Kasi controlled ng drug money ang mga people in authority. We were just almost like Colombia. That's how I felt eh. It was very unsafe, and I had a very young family then. Had a 3-year-old daughter. So I was very happy nung nakita natin yung overnight changes, and for me, nobody can take that away from me because that's my personal experience. Despite the negative aspect of the drug war, sa akin
Propaganda
it was
na lang
necessary.
kasi, diba?
It was necessary, you know.
Somebody has to do it.
And nakita ko nga yung mga interviews during that time because the administration had to defend, especially then Chief Sen Bato. And you know, it's either the good people die or the drug addicts die.
You just have to
Oo.
choose.
Where
Yeah.
were you back then, Maki? Yung time na yun, were you working with him? Hindi
Not-
kasi
uh,
PNP
in-
chief siya.
That time, when PRRD sat as the president po, I had a job. It's a regular job,
Job,
you know.
right.
I had a regular job. But then, nung na-wage yung war on drugs, sunod-sunod na yung mga death threats.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I have to be open about this
Right,
because
right.
Mm, mm.
it's it's real, you know, kasi kung wala kang death threat, edi ibig sabihin na hindi gumagana yung ginagawa
Right,
mo,
right.
hindi siya effective. But you know, it's there every day, different types, different bounties.
Mhm.
I'm open about this naman. So, kasi it's real.
So you
because
ha-
what
did
what
you
you're doing
have-
is effective.
Did you have to resign from work
I had
or
to resign from work,
Wow.
and I had to stick with my dad.
Yeah,
I had to stay with him.
Parang mother hen season ba to na ay balik muna kayo sa aking ano kasi
Yes.
medyo ito bakbakan na ito.
Ilan po kayong magkakapatid? Ma?
Tatlo po kami.
Tatlo. All girls or?
2 girls, and then yung youngest namin yung lalaki.
Youngest. Oh, okay,
Yes.
youngest is-
Yung youngest po namin ang nagpulis.
Mm.
Siya lang.
Watch out,
Following
there's
the-
another De La Rosa rising up in the ranks.
Pasok ba siya sa height?
Graduate na siya ng PNPA. Graduate.
Going back to the height, you know, a lot of
Right.
people benefited from this because
I
dati
didn't know he was part of the Republic Act that
he was
waived.
no, he's the principal author eh.
Oh,
So
nice.
syempre he had to nakita niya yung alam mo kasi minsan hindi naman height ang dito eh, ang importante yung puso mo sa pag-serve, and if you have the
Exactly.
health and the
Kahapon
ability
sabi
to
mo sa
speak.
basketball, height is...
Iba naman yun.
Ay, mali.
Ibang usapan.
ang uniform policeman ang uniform service is not basketball. So pero maraming players doon na magagaling. So from 5'4" naging 5'2" ang for males. And then from 5'2" sa females naging 5 flat.
Yes.
And I'm sure that 2-inch difference that opened
Makes a difference.
so much opportunities
You know.
for those vertically challenged people, no?
Grabe naman sa vertical. Grabe naman.
nakikiuso lang sa
Talk
terminology.
about the mayor's experience. He
Oh,
was
yeah.
he was literally 5'3", Mayor Magalong.
Mhm.
And then when he was graduating engineering, and then he passed the exam sa PMA. He was an inch short.
In short.
So during physical, they let him do dead hang for like a whole day, and then he stretched. The following day, he
Like
qualified
5'4".
at 5'4". Mayor, I know you're 5'11", but I'm just saying. You know.
Cordilleran yun
Yeah.
eh. Kaya talagang ano yun. Basic
Diba?
yun.
Did you
Yeah.
guys know
Basic
about
na
it?
basic yun sa kanila.
I've heard I cannot recall now.
Yeah, I recall that. Yeah.
Pero hindi ko pa na-validate kay boss. So, yung when we had the drug war, kasi ang kalaban dito billion industry eh.
Sure.
Drugs eh, no? And even him as the chief of police then, he admitted na talagang infiltrated na even the men in uniform. In fact, hindi mo na alam kung sinong kalaban at saka ang kakampi eh.
Parang
That's
syndicated.
That's why I was saying na we were already a narco state then, because even our law enforcement wala na eh. Their hands were in the cookie jar, you know, and especially the politicians. So we really had to do it, and of course in any war, talagang it's gonna be bloody. You cannot do a peaceful war.
No.
You cannot just say, "Hey, drug addicts, hey, drug pushers or drug funders."
Even religious wars are violent, bro.
True. Yeah, I mean religious wars.
So, Miss Maki, when we first sat as the senator, ano yung parang pinaka-highlight niya na tuwang-tuwa siya, na napasa niya yun, I fought for it?
Naipasa. So, when he sat as senator, so doon pa lang magsisimula kasi yung paggawa natin ng mga bills, doon pa lang magsisimula yung ano. So, yung mga naipasa niya, yun, isa na po yun, yung sinabi ni Sir kanina, yung sa height equality.
Okay.
So,
At kasama doon yung natin, yung IP, no?
Tama?
yes, oo. And
Yung may exemption ng IPs.
yes, yun sa height equality.
Vertically
na-
challenged ba tayo? I mean, IPs, I'm sorry pero ang IPs actually is all over the country.
Right,
Pero
right.
sa
Vertically.
Four Cordillerans, are we
Not anymore.
not anymore?
Not anymore.
Kasi
For
meron
some
ng-
reason, it's the food.
Hindi, may Star Margarine na. Meron ng Star Margarine.
Margarine.
Tsaka ano na yun? Yung iniinom ngayon na ano? Bonamine.
Bonamine. Para sa hilo ata yun. Bonamine. So, parang ibang gamot po yun.
Palagi po kasi nahihilo sa dahil.
Bonamine po. So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean that's a great
Well,
help.
thank you.
Yes, and I just like to share, no. Nakakahiya man sabihin, pero I also tried out na mag-apply for PMA dati.
Really?
Pero dahil wala pa itong batas na ito,
Ay, ganon.
at
You
isa
were...
pa ako sa mga vertically challenged person.
So you were...
Welcome to the Cordilleras, Miss Maki.
Kaya pala pinasa
kaya-
ng father mo.
Kasi alam niya, sayang tong anak ko, matapang pa naman. Ang naging sundalo.
Dapat may heels. Hindi mo ginawa yung technique ni Mayor Benji na pinag-unat-unat.
daw siya.
Hindi ako cordillera na, hindi ako ganun kalakas eh.
Wow, grabe.
Kaya kasama ko sa mga vertically challenge.
But did your dad pressure you to join, or you really wanted?
No, ako, yung brother ko, na talagang nag-push sana for this. I could say it runs in the blood. You see your father doing his job. Nakita mo how important it is, na how a lot of people can benefit from it. So,
Yeah.
why not do it yourself? Diba? Limited lang yung time ng tao sa mundo. So, someone else needs to continue doing something.
At that time, he was the chief already, or when you tried to apply?
No.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. We were in
In Davao
Davao.
pa.
Even PRRD was not even
Okay.
president
Early on.
So,
that
before
time.
that, no, po.
Matanda na po ako. Kaya mga
Kala ko mga mid-20s.
Hindi kasi
Matagal na po
vertically
yun.
challenged cute kasi kaya hindi na namin.
Oh, yun. Yun yung parang politically correct term.
Yeah.
Vertically challenged.
Yeah, I was lining up doon sa ano. I was lining up, I was holding my papers. As ang haba ng pila, ang dami namin nag-apply eh. Tapos may official doon naglalakad. Habang naglalakad siya, tinitingnan niya yung mga nakapila. Tapos tumigil siya sa tabi ko. Anong height mo? Sabi ko, 5'2" po. 5'2". Ganun. Kaya from there, alam ko na talaga, hindi ako.
I mean, they just weeded you off from the...
No, not naman. Pero yun lang, that experience alone na
Okay.
random na naglalakad lang yun. Tapos tinanong yung height mo. So it's very noticeable. Na,
Very noticeable.
very noticeable
Did
na.
you like cheat on heels or something?
No. Bawal yun sa exam.
Binali ko yung paano. Ganun.
What kind of 1 inch?
So, for sure you were frustrated na hindi ka nakasali.
Frustrated, but life
It's not
goes
for me.
on.
It's not for me.
You can serve the country naman
Yeah,
na.
Sure.
Yeah.
Everything happens for a reason, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Good.
So, how was your run today in Baguio? Kasi I believe it's your last day of being here? Or meron pa kayong plano? For 2 days, your team has been going to different places in the
Yes.
city?
Mhm.
Yeah. How was it?
Actually, ang ganda ng reception. Ang ganda ng reception ng mga
Wow. Thank you,
ng
Baguio.
people from Baguio. So, kung may nanonood po nga na taga Baguio, na nakita kami doon kanina, sobrang thank you po sa inyo kasi ang init ng pagtanggap ninyo kay Senator Bato po. At promise din namin, gagawin pa rin namin yung pinangako namin.
Yeah. I mean, second term pa lang ito. Given the list, well, I have here a
Mahaba-haba po
a
yan.
copy of
let me
of
let me
his
mention
folietos.
something. I was talking to the vice mayor today,
Mhm.
and he said, "Did you know that Senator Bato funded our first project ng
Through the efforts
Through
of
the
Senator
efforts.
Bato. Yeah. And Mayor Benjamin
through the
Magalong.
efforts of Mayor Benji, he asked Senator Bato to fund yung 50
First very-
million.
yeah.
Very first 50 million barangay hall natin sa Baguio.
Very beautiful barangay hall na akala mo mall.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ang laki po kasi sa Marcos
Yes,
Highway.
I've seen the
Grabe, no?
pictures. I haven't been there, but I've seen the pictures.
Pero thank you.
Sabi ko na mas maganda pa ata to kaysa sa ng mayor.
So nag-start na
Maganda
po
yung
yan.
barangay.
So ginawa through the efforts of Mayor and then Senator Bato, they collaborated. Ngayon, standards po ng Baguio.
Yeah,
Ganun na
yeah.
yung mga barangay hall.
Ah,
sa-
diba? Ang taas na ng
Oo.
standard
Yes,
ng
yes,
Baguio ng
Yun kasi ang gusto din ng aming mayor si
Yes, yes.
Benji Magalong na
which we
medyo,
really admire kay Mayor Magalong.
especially sa public service, parang okay na yan. Ganun. Kasi
Ay, no,
importante,
dapat
ganito na. But when the mayor came,
No,
talagang
oo.
tinaas niya lahat ng standards,
Yes.
including the services that are being provided in the city hall, na medyo hindi sanay yung mga tao eh. I mean, the government personnel themselves, parang sobra-sobra naman yan. Medyo parang too much eh. Why can't we have good things, you know?
Yes.
And a perfect example nga, itong kaya naman palang gawin is yung first na ganitong quality na and this size of a barangay hall yung sa Bakaking Central na 50 million worth. It's got its own parking spaces within and outside, and aesthetically beautiful, and it also has a wooden court,
Yep.
na internal court, no?
Yep.
It's inside. So akala nung vlog yan nung kabubukas yan, barangay hall barangay hall ba talaga yan?
Barangay
O
hall
city
po,
hall ba yan?
yes, yes.
And what followed thereafter are just the same kind of
Another
barangay
38
hall.
sa West Quirino. Papdal is being done now for 48. So,
Yeah.
Wow.
And Gabriela Silang has just been finished.
Tapos, so grabe
And
po
then
yung
Irisan,
angat ng
oh.
standards from barong-barong
Yeah.
to like,
Kaya pati yung mga
Skyrise.
trapo na nagpondo rin ng ibang barangay hall, kailangan sumunod.
may,
Kasi
may mga trapo?
dito sa Baguio,
Yes.
meron.
Alam, may
Meron.
trap.
meron. Alam ng tao yan. Kahit
Anyway,
anong...
going back to Miss
Sorry.
Maggie, we would like to know, really, going forward on his second term,
Yeah.
right? Second term. Is it second term or third?
Second.
Second term po. What else can we expect from Senator Bato now that he's up for this new challenge again and all the, opposition,
Yeah.
and all these things? So, we would like to hear from the Chief of Staff. Yeah.
Sa next term po ni Senator Bato, no, you can expect, since sobra yung pinagdaanan din natin ng past 6 years,
Mhm.
mas matapang na Senator Bato po ito. Tapos yung mga legislations niya talagang mas kakagat po talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi talagang I have to be we have to be transparent, no. The problem with our illegal drugs and criminality, bumabalik na naman.
True.
So,
Yeah. You see,
we have to
we
be
feel it. Yeah.
hindi tayo magpaplastikan dito.
Tama.
Bumabalik talaga yung problema natin sa illegal na droga pati kriminalidad. Kasi napabayaan.
All the gains we're slowly losing.
Yes, yung tinrabaho niya nung chief siya, talagang hindi na umuwi ng bahay yun. Tapos everyday may death threat yun, everyday ano ang problema nun. Tapos biglang sa isang iglap mawawala. Tapos ngayon, here they are again.
Again.
Yeah.
So, para lang yung parang bacteria or virus na kapag hindi mo, 'di ba kaya nga tayo nag-antibiotics. Kapag napabayaan mo yan ulit, hindi na
just come
tumalab, it will come back
Yeah.
stronger.
That's
So,
true.
you need stronger
Pills.
stronger pills for that.
Stronger
Med-
laws, di ba?
Stronger
Yes.
medicine.
Well, bumati tayo ng mga natin, ha?
Nagmamonitor ka ba?
Meron tayong Tess Argano. Yan, beautiful Chief of Staff. Wow.
Yeah. May
Thank
fans
you
ka
po.
na.
Hello.
Our
Thank you po.
youngest kapitan in Baguio City is watching, Kap Van Dikang.
Hi,
Is
Hi, Kap.
Yan.
Hi, Kap. Good
Multi-awarded
evening po.
Kapitan of Baguio City.
Multi-awarded po.
Gatas Salvaje, yan. Number 22, bato sa Senado.
Ayun.
Tapos panay bato na lahat po yan. Kaya, well, welcome to our show. Our guest, again, is
For
Maki
those who
De La
just tuned
Rosa.
in,
Yes.
Maki De La Rosa.
Kung meron po kayong questions that you would like to ask her, please message us. And then she will try her
ihabol
best to
natin with the
explain
remaining time that we have.
that remaining time. Last.
Yung mga questions lang na kaya ng powers ko.
Yeah.
Kasi baka matanggalan ako ng trabaho.
Yes po, since tinitira ka ni Daryl sa vertically challenged problems.
Actually, horizontally challenged. Vertical and horizontal.
Tuloy mo.
Do you have any questions for us?
But for this is again this is your last day today. You're going down tomorrow or tonight or kasi dami niyo pang pupuntahan for sure.
We're checking with our schedule kung ano pa yung pwede namin po. We want to maximize
Yung
habang
stay
nandito
dito.
kami. We want to reach as many people as we can.
And good thing na medyo cooperative ang weather natin
Yes.
ngayon. Today. Yeah.
Yes.
Sinwerte
Kahapon
ako
yung mga
kagabi,
legends, eh.
inulan kayo eh.
Oh. Kami ito.
Yes.
Hindi rin sila natuloy sa Burnham kasi umuulan talaga. And it's just was sad kasi Iboloy Day kahapon.
Sayang.
So all the people of Benguet were
Did they
having
get to
their
go to the
celebration.
public market today?
Nakapunta sila ngayon.
Pumunta po kayo.
Oh,
Yes.
so I met with them earlier at yun na nga, nakita ko, nagsihiyawan, sabi, nandun sila kasi nandun yung hiyawan eh.
Wala
May-
sa
may maingay
basketball
May maingay.
May maingay doon.
And ang kagandahan kasi sa ating public market is it's a good mix of people also.
Right.
Apart from tourist spot na rin siya, we have lots of vendors. Actually,
Locals,
almost 4,000 ng vendors natin doon.
Locals, lowlands,
Yeah.
from the mountain provinces, halo-halo po talaga
Yeah,
yung sa public market namin. So,
And may giveaways kayo, no? Nakapaubos ba kayo? Ilang beses nanalo si Long? Si Long Mejia. No?
Laging natatalo yun. Panalo yung lahat.
Baka by
ng-
design. No?
even Labio Kalingayan is watching.
Hello po.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
Hello po.
Siguro for a parting message, I would say sa amin kasi sa sa Baguio Unfiltered, we're used to doing it 2 hours, even 3 hours kung kinakailangan. So open kami sa ano yan, but of course your time is very valuable, so I mean we're doing it for less than that. So siguro before you give your parting words, I understand that you're a pilot,
Yes, I'm a
a
pilot.
licensed pilot,
Yes, I'm a licensed.
like a
Is there such thing as an unlicensed
Meron.
pilot?
Meron.
meron
Hindi, joke.
yung mga smuggler sa
The
Colombia.
drug dealers?
Yung
I
mga
watched that movie with Tom Cruise. Di ba?
Yeah.
unlicensed pilot yun, di ba?
Hindi.
License pa rin siya.
Yeah. But he was doing
For- you do this
Licensed
like
goods.
like you're a pilot like a hobby, or you just went for the license, or are you a regular flyer?
Do you fly
Do
every
you fly?
time? Yun,
How high do you fly?
Ganito yun.
Ganito yun.
Bakit diyan ka pa bumabawi? Kasi when you're
Kasi nga vertically
Ano,
challenged,
grabe,
kaya talaga
grabe.
umakyat siya.
Grabe to si sir.
you're like vertically higher than everybody.
Actually, pag lumilipad, meron ako yung parang inuupuan. Para,
A booster chair.
Yes. And then naka-forward talaga yung upuan ko para naaapakan ko yung mga rudders, yung mga ano. Kaya, kung matigas ang ulo mo, kakayanin mo talaga yung mga bagay-bagay.
Was
Gagawin mo
it
talaga.
customized?
No, a lot of pilots din naman are vertically challenged. Madami naman, common na po siya ngayon.
Oo.
So, they have this parang booster chair.
So clearly they don't have height requirements to get a pilot
Yeah.
license, a flying license.
No. As long as you can
Basta abot mo
reach
yung
what you
ano.
need to reach.
Right. Okay.
Ilan bang ng eroplano? Yung what you fly? What do you usually fly? Are you licensed? There are certain aircraft that you are licensed to fly, correct?
Yes.
Commercial.
Can you name them?
Okay.
Cessna.
Okay, so the
Vostok
first one,
one.
of course, everyone goes through this first aircraft is the C-152. And then after that,
I know that.
Yeah.
Kunwari alam ko.
Two-seater?
Yeah, and then
C-152.
it's a small plane, it's a training plane, and then after that, I went for the C-172.
Which is
And
Alam ko rin yun.
it's similar to the 152 but a higher horsepower.
How do
And
you
then
know that?
Kunwari lang.
And then after that, medyo gusto kong mag-explore. So I went for a multi-engine aircraft.
So yun, dalawang props na
Yes,
ganun.
so I went for the PA-4 for 180.
Mhm.
And then I got a job flying people around. So,
Commercially?
yes.
Galing, no?
Ano yun? Parang tour? Or?
Yung mga charter na mga
Right.
na mga lipad. So I went for the C402 and then the BN212I.
Okay.
So,
With
those
all
are the
those letters
aircrafts.
and numbers, basta palaki ng palaki yun.
Yeah.
And yung horsepower niya, palaki ng palaki
And
din.
then capacity of...
Yes, palaki ng palaki din yung mga capacity.
Yung length ng flying hours mo, parang ganun na rin is
Yes.
bigger.
I think the common names for them kasi kaya I mentioned the yung specific niya na mga yung, with the numbers and everything. Kasi yung common names niya, you might get mixed up with the other aircraft. So it's a Cessna, two
Tama,
Cessnas,
tama.
one Piper, and then one Islander, and then a bigger commercial Cessna for that.
Okay, so the biggest one that you've flown is
Ayun
a...
po. Yung dalawa po, yung C402 and then the BN212I.
How many packs can that
Capacity.
Ano lang naman siya, if I'm not mistaken, kasi for mga lang, yung small flights lang yun eh. Mga around 10, mga ganun.
Inter-country? Within the country lang?
Yes,
or-
my flights back then were from, were going to Batanes. So,
Any
yung mga
VIPs we know?
VIPs.
Ay, Batanes.
wala naman, kasi Batanes naman yun. It's a regular
Pero ang
flight
ganda
na.
ng Batanes, I heard.
Yes.
Pero mahal kasi
Yes.
ng pamasahe. Baka minsan pag pupunta ka ron, sabit ka. Ma'am,
Can you please pick us up at
Mamaki?
Baguio? Saan?
Papunta ba?
Burnham Park.
Burnham Park. Yung no? Kasi kaya ba nung yun?
Hindi, pero I also had yung after my fixed wing journey, fixing journey.
Yun na yung
I also
rotor.
for Rotary.
Really?
Like
yes.
helicopters.
Yeah, helicopters. Kasi na ako I'm a mother, so
Mm.
I need to go to places na pwedeng madali lang mag-land, so madali lang ako makauwi sa aking kids. Naks.
You have your own chopper?
Because I don't have my own chopper. How I wish to have
Pero mas mahirap, ano?
chopper, ganun. Pang tadtad lang. Pang tadtad lang na.
Pero mas mahirap ang I would imagine, ang rotary.
It's more sensitive.
More sensitive.
More sensitive, oo.
Tapo, pero sa safety-wise, mas marami siyang moving parts, so to speak, no?
Yes. And
And you imagine, may umikot sa
Right.
top mo, no?
Annoying.
And you went for that, yung may helicopter si Willie Revilla eh.
Yeah.
Ganun ba? Yung parang inano mo? Or bigger? Yung maliit lang na...
Maliit lang.
Yung
Maliit
ginagamit
lang
ng
po.
PNP rin.
Maliit lang siya na
So you went for that,
Mhm.
pero just for you to upgrade your license or challenge for you, or did you also find work in doing that?
Actually, gusto kong mag-rotary. Kasi kung papalapit ng election, alam ko madaming mga
I'm sure
madaming
it would come.
customer. Kailangan ko pa rin maghanap buhay.
Totoo.
Kailangan
It will
Ako,
come
back in my
handy.
military days, we used to ride those all the time.
I
From
thought you only
46
rode a horse.
Oh, in Wright Park.
In Wright Park.
46s, 53s yan. Yung mga...
Favorite animal niya kasi is horse.
Right.
Kasi
Yeah.
pony boy yan eh.
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Oh, may tanong.
May
Yeah.
tanong.
Wala, yung kaya ko lang po sagutin.
Ayan. May tanong po ako sana. O yan. Marami po kayong natulungan na kagaya ulit ng mga nagbabalik loob sa gobyerno.
Yes,
The
yes.
insurgents.
Insurgents.
Yeah, in fact,
Actually,
yun ang-
a
Right.
huge chunk din nung trabaho ko as chief of staff. Part lang naman doon kasi focus talaga ng boss namin is yung yung anti-insurgency. Doon siya nanggaling eh. He was once one of those soldiers na nakikipagbakbakan sa bundok, nakikipag sa mga NPA
When he was
Right.
young pa.
when he was young. So, tinutukan din ang opisina namin. So, kami, bumababa kami kung saan yung maraming mga NPA. Then, we also try to check what's happening on the ground. Yun, nakakausap namin yung mga former rebels. So,
Rebel at the time or former rebels na?
yung iba rebel at the time, iba former rebels.
Mga nagdadalawang
It's more on the you need to
Wow.
negotiate, you need to din kasi ma-convince mo na talagang huwag ka nang bumalik ng bundok.
No.
Kasi
Is it poverty related talaga or based on your analysis?
Just leftist.
yung pinaka-concept ng
Tinitake advantage ng left-leaning groups, no?
Yeah. Diba po?
Diba?
yung pinaka-concept kasi ng NTF-ELCAC was it was a different approach. It was very effective, I have to tell you. It's
Pero
very
may ginawa na
effective.
naman itong administrasyon na ito.
Kaya
Unfortunately.
pero yun yung kasi yung concept kasi that was a concept na talagang okay yung father ko. Kasi for the longest time, pupunta ka sa mga bundok, makikipagbakbakan ka, may malalagas, may and then people on the ground na they still fall for the ideology na pinapabayaan kayo ng gobyerno, wag na kayong sumanib na kayo sa amin na
Manipulative.
Sabay-sabay tayo
gumaganon.
maghirap.
Sabay-sabay tayong mamamatay.
Anyway, galing mo, Miss Maki sabi, sana ulit labanan ni Sen Bato ang mga sumira sa buhay namin katulad ng teroristang
Yes, yan, talagang very, 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 very close to his
passionate
heart
sa
yun. Kaya yun nga, nung nakita ng mga tao on the ground, yung mga regular na Filipino people natin na, ayun, may tulong pala yung gobyerno. So it was, something you can see, it was tangible, nakikita nila
Yeah,
may
yeah.
kalsada, makita nila na may trabaho sila, may tulong talaga na inaabot. Ngayon, yun yung pinakakalaban ng NPA. Yung,
Correct,
paano
yung
mo
progress,
i-convince
yeah.
ngayon na pinapabayaan tayo ng gobyerno kung nandyan yung tulong, di ba? Sino
Kasi-
iloloko?
Is OPAP
Kaya-
still around? Yung peace process? Yung...
OPAP?
Oo.
Ang alam ko, OTAP. Pero kasi if they bring progress, the government, the
Yes,
former
they,
government was focused on really bringing the progress to the people, ganun. Pero sinusunog naman yung mga machines na ginagamit for creating roads.
Pero
By, you
it's
know,
it's a gradual process din. Though it's a very effective process na rin. Na kasi wala na silang may indoctrinate. Nakikita
Yeah.
nila nandiyan yung tulong eh. So ano tong pinagsasabi nyo sa amin na walang tulong yung gobyerno na sasabay
Yeah.
kami akit ng bundok sa inyo para makikipag ano, 'di ba?
Sila ang kawawa dyan eh. They're the pawns in this war also, this internal war we're having. And, you know, having Sen Bato continue his good public service work, for sure, meron tayong fighting chance in making sure na hindi ito ulit bumalik.
Can
Yan
I
yung-
read this in Bisaya? Kasi, Miss Maki, daghan pa ba NPA sa Davao Region karon? Okay. Kumusta yung accent ko? Diba?
Tama no,
Ay,
tama
si-
yung accent niyo,
Ay,
sir.
sa badiha.
You're slanging, man.
I'm slang though.
I think the best person or the best institution to ask siguro is the AFP.
Right.
With regards to kung gaano kadami yung NPA na
Sa
bumabalik.
Davao.
But
Davao
I have to
region,
be
yeah.
I have to be transparent. We're in the government, no? Madaming bumabalik. So sayang yung efforts natin sa NTF-ELCAC. So may mga nare-recycle, mga bumabalik talaga sila kasi ano eh, alam niyo na. So may problema tayo somewhere na kailangan natin i-address.
I would really love to delve on that topic pero I don't think we have time kasi mahaba din yan eh. Ano? Medyo ang puso ko nandyan eh. Kasi I'm
Ayan
really
si
not
Daryl.
happy.
Miss Maki, matagal kayo. Hours kayo.
So, maybe when you come back and
I don't
we'll
know.
have you as a guest again in our regular studio. So I think we're very happy that you've shared so much about, of course, your dad and you, kasi you are a reflection of your dad as well. Na tao naman pala itong si...
I hope I'm a good reflection.
I'm sure, no, mahirap yung, medyo mataas na yung kanyang narating and as kids, syempre yun ang ating kailangan at least matapatan eh. Or better we can surpass, to make our parents proud. And I think you're doing good. You tried,
Yeah,
hindi ka lang nakapasa, pero kaya ka nga.
Ayan naman,
Pang ano lang, pang sidekick lang tayo.
Binabalikan
Pang
nyo na naman
sidekick
yung
lang.
mga height.
High challenges.
Basta,
Parang ang tangkad-tangkad ko, no?
pero mas mahirap talaga yung horizontally challenge. Doon talaga ako nahihirap.
Siguro for me as one of the last things I'd like to mention about your dad as a common tao, looking at him is hindi siya plastic ako yung he cries, he becomes angry, he jokes around, kahit yung mga behind the scenes or yung mga medyo candid shots, kitang-kita mo talaga na makulit din
Yes.
siya. Hindi siya yung parang stiff na trying to be politically correct all the time, which
Oh,
to
no.
me, I never am. So,
I have a
Yan-
picture of it, me and him,
really, may
Oh, saan yan, sir?
2019.
Oh,
Hugpong pa yan.
Baguio.
HNP.
Oh, here.
Oh. Yan, nakikita po ba?
Ayan.
Ayan. May buhok pa siya. Joke. Joke lang.
para mo naman susuntukin siya.
Nalaman niya yata na MMA coach ako eh. Kaya
Oh, MMA coach kayo, sir. Wow.
matandang
Yeah, he's-
martial artist.
Yeah, we used to do MMA, sir, because
Oh,
it
nice.
was our father encouraged us to do it. Kasi nga,
What's the more fun art? Jiu-jitsu, no?
baka nakikinig yung mga ano.
Jiu-jitsu, no? Kasi
Jiu-jitsu is
you
your
can
favorite.
Just choke the hell out of people, break their arms.
My favorite was Muay Thai. Yeah.
Mm.
But I also did Jiu-Jitsu. Ang maganda sa Jiu-Jitsu, yung pwede kang nakahiga.
Ayun.
Pero proud to say, we have developed, personally, sa gym namin, several World Muay Thai World Champions. Kasi yung may Muay Thai coach namin dito, si Brent Velasco, he was a 3-time World Champion.
Ooh.
So, we're proud to say na kahit pumunta tayo sa Thailand na ngayon, let's go.
Kaya
Kailangan talaga natin ma-encourage din talaga more
Yeah.
kabataan na to go into sports.
Correct. Yeah.
That's why we're going around with PBA to nakikita ng mga
Promote
tao na
sports, yeah.
promote natin ang sports kasi
para-
mas magandang na-addict ka sa sports kaysa sa
Kaysa-
na-addict ka sa
Tuwang-tuwa po yung mga
Somewhere
Baguio
else.
kanina. Kasi nandito nga yung PBA
PBA
Legends
Legends.
na dala nyo. sabi nung some of the politicians here,
Mhm.
titirahin na naman tayo ng mga kaaway natin. Kasi nagdala si Sen Bato.
Yeah.
Sabi ng mga kaibigan nating politicians, who cares? It's sports.
It's
mo,
sports, you
sports,
know.
pati ba yan gagawin yung-
It's fun, it's sports.
not only that, actually Mayor Benji has been on the receiving end of some bashing and
Right.
even negative posting because of him raising the hands of the likes of Bongo ata or Sen Bongo. Ang sabi naman ni Mayor, ay natulungan ako ng mga yan. They helped the people of Baguio, especially during the pandemic. So for once hindi ba tayo pwedeng set aside yung
Siraan.
politics or
Yeah.
yung perception kasi nga daw they are from some quarters inaano sila as representation of corruption and stuff like that. So the raising the hands is like advocating for
Which
corruption
is
as well. Pero
opposite
So-
to because Mayor Magalong, he's
Yeah.
really keen into good
He's-
governance.
yes,
So
correct. Kaya nga po siya tinitira or binash-bash.
oo,
Pero
I don't think he's very
It's just
keen.
being grateful, and that's gratitude of showing gratitude of what these people have done for the city of Baguio. The constituency of-
Pwede nyo naman itaas yung kamay ng mga hindi tumulong sa inyo. Sige, gusto nyo yun. Gusto nyo yun.
Exactly.
Pero
Yeah.
yung mukha nakagano.
So, those kinds of gestures, hindi na kailangan lagyan ng kulay pa yan eh.
Tama. In
And-
sports, plain sports. Thank you. Dapat nagti-thank you nga sila.
Yes, when you encourage more people or lalo na yung kabataan to get into sports, you would be really thankful na nadadivert yung kanilang attention na from meron silang dun yung focus nila, hindi sa bisyo.
Yeah.
Kaya you need to
And for projects, again, as mentioned earlier, Senator Bato was able to help our good mayor fund yung, of course, using taxpayers' money, yung napakaganda nating barangay homes.
Barangay
State of
hall.
the art.
And again, through the legislation of Sen Bato, tayong mga kaigurutan, Cordilleras,
Cordilleras,
benefit a lot of being given jobs kasi nga yung height requirement binaba niya eh. Tapos para sa atin actually hindi applicable yung height requirement na eh kasi pag IP ka wala na, wave of
Cert
men.
lang, oo.
Kahit 3 flat ka.
Right.
Basta
Mahirap matama ng bala yun.
basta lang tawag nito, kapag yung meron ka nung certificate na yun, all you need to ipaproblemahin mo na lang is yung physical
Pass your
exam.
physical.
Yeah.
So dapat pasayin mo yung
Kaya
physical
mo,
exam. Yun na, doon na lang
Pag sinabi sigurong, magbaras ka, dapat maabot mo yung baras. Pag hindi mo naabot,
May bucket seats, remember?
Ala, si sir.
Stool.
Booster chairs.
Ay, booster chairs. Yeah. Kaya siya.
okay, so that was...
Any last words?
Yeah.
I
Any
know
last
We're
words?
all running out of time. No, you, kasi marami pa kayong...
Marami ka pang
lalalaman.
gagawin eh. So, kami, we could soldier on. Magkwentuhan ng nonsense.
Ang sarap sana makipagkwentuhan pa. Kaso
Siguro
lang, yun nga lang.
for us, your party words again.
Yeah, okay.
To our viewers all over the Philippines. Thank you, Fridge TV.
Thanks, Fridge TV.
Thank you,
as
Fresh
always.
TV.
Hendrix,
Parting words, siguro sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayong gabi po, we are facing yung problem natin ulit sa ating illegal na droga pati kriminalidad. Bumabalik na naman at hindi tayo magpaplastikan. Pagbukas nyo ng Facebook, nandun lahat. Totoo po lahat ng mga namamatay po doon. Totoo lahat ng nabibiktima. Totoo po na bumabalik yung problema na to. So, ano bang gagawin natin? Alangan naman, wag naman sana umabot sa time na pagbukas natin ng Facebook, ang makikita natin doon yung mga kamag-anak na natin, mahal natin sa buhay. So sana wag na natin paabutin doon. So kailangan talaga natin ng someone na ilagay natin sa Senate na hindi palambot-lambot. Kasi itong mga gaitong problema, hindi to you cannot just go to a drug lord and give him a reassuring hug and hope that things will magically turn good for you. It doesn't work like that. Reality is you need to have dapat matigas ka pag you are fighting these kinds of problems in society. So sino pa bang senador ang mas matigas pa sa isang bato?
Pangalan
Yan
pa
ang
lang.
pangalan pa lang. So sana po let's just help each other. Let's just help each other. Let's not give the Philippines to the dogs. So, ayun po yung ating yun po yung message po natin for tonight. So magtulungan po tayo. At the end of the day, it's not the people who are sitting where they are sitting right now who can solve everything. So tayo pa rin ang makakasolve nito. So it's up to us. So we hope na you realize what you can do, and we hope you exercise your right to do what you can do. So ayun lang po.
Maki De La Rosa,
Yes.
Esto Esta.
Together, we can achieve more.
Yes.
Right? So, thank you.
Thank you for your time again,
Maki,
and I
thank you
hope
so much.
that the remaining time that you have for Baguio remains productive and safe, of course. And hope you have a safe travel back to Manila as well.
Thank you.
Thank you for.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Daniel.
Thank you. Sawadika.
Sawadika. One month in Thailand. Oh, buti hindi ka na ganun. Hindi ba punta ka Thailand?